Hello! Here we have nice HP 17-inch gaming laptop. Aside from being a bit dirty, there is some obvious problem with LCD screen. So, we will change LCD screen and tidy up visual appearance of the computer in the end. You can see here in what state we got the computer. And this is how it looked afterward. Quite a difference, right? Let's get started. First, we cover tabletop with microfiber cloth or something similarly soft to not scratch laptop while fixing it. Gently put laptop on the desk with bottom side up. Use Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew all the screws on the bottom cover. All screws can be removed except two on the back of the laptop. Those two are designed in a way that when they are unscrewed, they can't fall out of the bottom cover. Use plastic guitar pick, old credit card or something similar to gently pry around the bottom cover and disengage all the clips that hold cover in place. Somebody put sticker on this laptop, so to separate palm rest and bottom cover, I needed to cut that sticker first. I used sharp flat head screwdriver to cut on the small gap between bottom cover and palm rest. Later I removed sticker entirely. Sometimes it helps to use additional plastic tool to put some tension on stubborn clips, which want to re-engage. With all clips released, you can remove bottom cover. See how those two back screws are held in place on back cover. If you saw one previous computer repair video where we replaced backlight fuse for LCD screen on another laptop, you know what we should do before touching anything, especially LCD screen connector. We should disconnect battery. Otherwise, there is a high risk of shorting something and consequently damaging motherboard. With battery disconnected, we can flip laptop around. Brackets over fans look strong enough to hold laptop weight without bottom cover on. As a guy with a bit of OCD, I like to double check if computer really does not turn on with battery disconnected. To remove plastic frame which is around LCD panel, use plastic guitar pick or old credit card, which is even better. There is adhesive all around screen bezel and it needs to be cut with plastic tool all around the screen. In my opinion, this is the hardest part of this job, as adhesive can be quite stubborn. Take your time, do not rush and take special care at top part where web camera is located. If you're doing some other repair, on example changing web camera and not replacing LCD panel, you should not scratch LCD with your tool. I made few tries with different plastic tools, as I had a feeling that guitar pick was a bit too short to loosen all the adhesive. Learn from my mistake and use old credit card straight away. When you are sure that you did a good job, you can try to put a bit more force on a bezel to start releasing clips that hold it in place. Do this all around the bezel with help of your plastic tool. Use common sense to not crack the bezel while pulling it, as plastic is quite thin and flimsy. After bezel is removed, we can see where adhesive was applied from the factory. Put it aside and let's continue with our job. I like to tighten screws on hinges for a few extra degrees, as they are usually loosening up after few years of usage and rough handling. Use Phillips head screwdriver for tightening hinges. And also, now we can remove old LCD panel. It is held in place by 4 screws. Put microfiber cloth on the keyboard to protect the upper surface of the laptop. Loosen LCD cable and gently flip LCD panel on the palm rest. You can see here that without loosening the cable, we cannot move screen much. To disconnect the LCD, first step is to remove stubborn sticker over it. Adhesive was really strong and I had hard time removing it. With sticker removed, you can gently wiggle out the connector with help of the plastic tool. Do not pull by the cable, as you can easily damage the connector. Here you can see model number of the original LCD panel for this laptop, which may help you with acquiring replacement screen. Time for mounting new replacement LCD panel. You can see model number here. First step is to plug LCD connector to the new panel. Again, do not push on the part where cable is. Use plastic tool and push on the metal side of the connector. As original sticker for securing down the connector lost its adhesion, I added some Kapton tape, but any normal clear tape will do it. We can now put new LCD back on and continue with the assembly. Screw panel on with 4 Phillips head screws and do not forget to route LCD cable as it was originally. Turn computer gently up and connect the battery, so we can test out new LCD screen. I would not suggest to put computer on the tabletop without the bezel in place, as screen might get damaged because of the computer weight. Moment of truth. Does the screen work? It does! Now listen to my favorite part. Removing protection foil from the new LCD panel. Satisfying, right? What is missing now is bezel around the screen and bottom cover. Before mounting bezel on, I cleaned it a bit. There is no need for adhesive, as clips on the bezel are more than enough. Bezel clips into place, but you must be careful to not damage any of the clips on it. Again, take your time and do not use excessive force. With bezel in place, time for mounting bottom cover back on. Before doing so, I cleaned dust from the fans with vacuum cleaner on low power and brush attachment. Do not let fans spin up because of the airflow, as they might get damaged. Now put bottom cover back on and make sure that all clips on it are engaged. Then use Phillips head screwdriver and screw all the screws in place. To top it all off, I wiped down the computer with slightly damp microfiber cloth and a bit of glass cleaner. Do not use glass cleaner on the LCD screen and do not spray it directly on the computer. So, this computer is now back in order. Do you like end result? Please let us know in the comments below and please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.